Hello everybody, this is Sonia and I'm on here now to undo a little envelope that I got from Sharon Rock, and it says, I don't know whereabouts you are from, Sharon. I'll have to, on the front of here, it's USA. I'll have a look over no cat nothing. There we go. Oh, that was close. Oh dear, be a bit careful with them scissors on you. I got it. Oh, wow, look at this. Isn't that neat? Oh, I love that. Isn't that awesome? Wow, isn't this cool? I do like that. It's kind of retro, but is it? It might be new because all the different things that are coming out now. So it's got a really lovely texture. I'm just going to read this, eh? Isn't this like, I love this? Oh, I love this too. Look at it. Oh, it's got anything to do with sewing. I'm a fan. 5 years. Well, congratulations. I hope this fabric pleases you. It's quite old, maybe 1960s. Well, there you go. See, I sort of had a thing like, you know, quite old, she said. I was born then. Oh yeah, I was 5-ish. Oh, I do like that. Yes, I really do. It's beautiful, isn't it? It kind of looks like a face. There's 2 eyes and a mouth, doesn't it? Looks like a face. Yeah, okay. Never mind, I'll just keep looking at it. Isn't this awesome? Thank you so much for that, Sharon. I really love it, and I think you're from the US. Sharon Rock, it says here. So maybe this is her YouTube channel on this. So that's Sharon. I'll put this up on the video anyway when I put it up. But that was a really lovely card and a lovely piece of material. Thank you so much. I really do like that. Thank you. Thank you everybody for watching, and thank you Sharon for sharing with me. That's very kind of you. So I'll talk to you later. Bye bye.